To allow access to photos on Android, follow these steps. First, go to your Android device's settings menu. This is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down and select the apps option. This will take you to a list of all the apps installed on your device. Select the app you want to allow access to your photos. For example, if you want to allow a social media app to access your photos, find that app in the list and select it. After selecting the app, you will see a list of permissions that the app has requested. Look for the photos or storage permission and toggle the switch to the on position. This will allow the app to access your photos. Alternatively, you can also manage app permissions from the app's individual settings. To do this, open the app and go to its settings menu. Look for the option to manage permissions or access to photos and toggle the switch to the on position. It is also possible to manage app permissions from the Android device's permissions manager. To do this, go to the settings menu and select the permissions option. This will take you to a list of all the permissions on your device, including access to photos. Select the photos permission and you will see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your photos. From here, you can toggle the switch to the on or off position for each app, allowing or denying access to your photos. Best practice is to only allow access to photos for apps that need it to function properly. Be cautious when granting access to your photos, as this can potentially compromise your personal data. By following these steps, you can easily manage which apps have access to your photos on Android, keeping your personal data safe and secure.